Welcome to Learn and Talk. Let's learn Arabic and English in a fun and easy way. Learn, speak, and enjoy every day. Going to school. I put on my shoes. I put on my shoes.
I say goodbye to my family.
I say goodbye to my family. I go to school by bus. I go to school by bus. I walk to school. I walk to school.
I meet my friends. I meet my friends.
I greet my teacher.
Hello, dear.
I greet my teacher.
Hello, dear. I enter my classroom. I enter my classroom.
I enter my classroom. I enter my classroom. I sit on my chair. I sit on my chair. I open my books. I open my books. I listen to the lesson. I listen to the lesson. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to Learn and Talk for more fun learning videos.